Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and something that every kitchen has to have is a can opener. And it seems like a simple thing, but having a good quality can opener really does make a difference. So this one is from OXO, and it is a manual can opener. It has these really comfortable squishy handles that are nice and wide, so they're really easy to grip. And even if you have to put a little bit of pressure, it's very comfortable to do so. And there's nothing digging into your hand. The blade cuts extremely well through the can lids, and it's very smooth and easy to do. And I also love that to turn the blade, you have this really big piece here, which is very comfortable, and it makes it really easy to cut through the cans. So if you're looking for a quality can opener for your kitchen, I would definitely check out this one from OXO because it is such a good quality, it's comfortable and easy to use, and that is my point of view.